Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. My name is Radhika and today we are starting a chapter that name is Rip Van Winkle. About the chapter, Rip Van Winkle drinks a strange brew in the mountains and falls asleep. He wakes up years later to find that his world has completely changed. और वो सो जाते हैं कोई ऐसी ड्रिंक पीकर बहुत सालों बाद वो उठते हैं और उठकर क्या देखते हैं पूरा वर्ल्ड चेंज हो चुका होता है. One beautiful day, Rip and his dog Wolf walked to the mountains and stayed there all day. पूरे दिन माउंटेन पर रुकते हैं वो. I love the mountains and the trees. My wife isn't here and I'm very happy with you, my friend. Rip said to Wolf. क्या कहता है वो Wolf को Rip कि यहाँ मेरी वाइफ भी नहीं है और मुझे माउंटेन में तुम्हारे साथ कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. But now it's evening and my wife must be waiting for me at home. They started going down the mountain, but suddenly there was a noise. Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle, और वो वापस जाने लगते हैं. एकदम से वहाँ एक noise मीन शोर आने लगता है. Who is there? Rip asked. Who is calling my name? The mountain was quiet. Rip and his dog were afraid. कोई वापस आवाज नहीं आती कि कौन उसका नाम बुला रहा है और वो डर जाते हैं. कौन? Rip and his dog. What was that noise? Rip asked Wolf. Then he looked down the mountain. There was an old man. He had a lot of white hair and a long beard. The man walked up the mountain. He walked slowly because he had a big barrel on his back. वो धीरे धीरे चल रहा था. छोटा सा आदमी था जिसकी की एक लॉन्ग जो है वो बियर्ड थी, वाइट हेयर थे. उसके पास एक बड़ा सा बैरल था. उसको लेकर वो ऊपर चढ़ रहा था और इसीलिए वो बहुत स्लो चल रहा था. This is strange, Rip said. People don't usually come up here and the man has a big barrel with him. Come Wolf, let's help him. कि strange है, यहाँ तो कोई आता भी नहीं है और ये इतना बड़ा बैरल क्या होता है बच्चे? जैसे पॉट होता है कोई लिक्विड रखने का और ये छोटा सा आदमी इतना एक बिग बैरल लेकर आ रहा है तो चलो इसकी हेल्प करते हैं. Wolf. Rip and his dog walked down the mountain to the man. He wasn't from Rip's town and Rip didn't know him. वो Rip के टाउन से नहीं था और वो उसे जानता भी नहीं था. Rip looked at him and the man looked at Rip. Hello, Rip said. The man didn't answer. Hello, what is your name? Rip asked, but the man didn't answer. Do you want my help? Rip asked. You have a big barrel on your back. Is it heavy? Can I help you with it? The man didn't answer, but he looked at Rip. और वो man answer ही नहीं दे रहा था. Yes, you want my help, Rip said to the man. And Rip went with the man. They walked and walked up the mountain. The barrel was on Rip's back now. अब किसके बैक पर था? Rip के बैक पर था वो बैरल और वो उसकी हेल्प करता है और दोनों माउंटेन के ऊपर चढ़ते जा रहे थे. And where are we going? Rip asked. कि हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं? But the old man didn't answer. Strange noises, strange means अजीब, came from the mountain. What are those noises? Rip asked. Again the man didn't answer. The man and Rip came to a big building in the mountains. और वो आदमी और Rip कहाँ जाते हैं? एक बड़ी सी बिल्डिंग होती है माउंटेन पर, वहाँ. There were a lot of men there, but Rip didn't know them. वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग थे लेकिन Rip उन्हें नहीं जानता था. They had very long white beards and they were old. बूढ़े लोग थे, बड़ी बड़ी ढाढ़ी थी. And वहाँ पर they played a game but Rip didn't know it. The old man looked at Rip and stopped playing their game. Hello, Rip said to the man. The man didn't answer. They looked at Rip and then looked at the barrel. What is in this barrel? किस barrel में क्या है? Rip asked. He looked in the barrel and there was a drink in it. Do you want some? Rip asked. और Rip क्या कहता है? तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? क्योंकि उस barrel में क्या थी बच्चों? Drink. They looked at him, but they didn't answer. Yes, you want some? He said. The old man had a drink from the barrel. Then Rip too had a drink from it. He liked it and had a lot of drink. The other man had a lot of drinks too, but they didn't talk. They played their game again. और इस तरीके से रिप ने बहुत सारी ड्रिंक पी ली थी, दूसरे लोगों ने भी पी थी, लेकिन वो कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे थे और वो अपना गेम फिर से शुरू करते हैं. This is strange, Rip said. They are drinking but they are not talking. ड्रिंक कर रहे हैं पर बोल नहीं रहे हैं. Rip wasn't afraid. अब रिप डर नहीं रहा था. He was happy and he didn't want to go home. It was late in the evening but Rip stayed with the man for a long time. शाम हो गई थी लेकिन वो stayed means रुकता है उस आदमी के साथ. I want to sleep now, he said, and he closed his eyes. And when Rip opened his eyes, he was under a tree in the mountains. It was morning. He remembered the strange man and strange building. जब वो सोकर उठता है तो रिप एक पेड़ के नीचे था और उसे अब भी याद थी वो चीज़ें जो उसके साथ हुई थी. Oh, he said, I'm in the mountains. I didn't go home. I stayed here all night. The man, where are the men? And where is the building? That drink was bad, very bad. My wife, I know she will be angry. And where is Wolf? और इस तरीके से रिप जो है वो बहुत परेशान हो जाता है. Rip wanted to find his dog. He looked and looked. He called, but Wolf didn't came. Slowly, Rip walked down the mountain to his town. He was unhappy. Unhappy मतलब he was sad और वापस अपने टाउन में जा रहा था because he didn't have his dog. क्योंकि वुल्फ उसके पास नहीं था इसलिए वो क्या था? sad था. He was afraid because he didn't want to lose his wife. और वो डर भी रहा था कि वो अपनी वाइफ को खोना नहीं चाहता था और उसे लगता है कि उसकी वाइफ उससे बहुत गुस्सा होगी क्योंकि वो घर नहीं गया. He looked at the houses in the town. They were strange. He looked at the people, but he didn't know these people. वो अपने टाउन में पहुंचता है, वहाँ अलग से घर होते हैं, वो उन्हें नहीं जानता था, पहचान नहीं पा रहा था. वहाँ पर लोग होते हैं और उनको भी नहीं जान पा रहा था. बहुत सारे चिल्ड्रन होते हैं, बट रिप उन्हें नहीं जानता था. The people weren't the same and the houses weren't the same. और ना ही लोग सेम थे और ना ही घर. Who are those people? Maybe I'm not in my town. कि शायद मैं किसी और टाउन में आ गया हूँ. कौन है ये लोग? Oh, that drink was bad, he said. Then Rip walked to his house. It was very old. Why, where are you? Children, where are you? Are you there? Please answer me, Rip said. But his wife wasn't there and his children weren't there. कोई भी वहाँ नहीं था. Wolf, Wolf, you are here, Rip said. But the dog didn't know Rip. लेकिन dog जो था वो Rip को अब नहीं जानता था. Are you my dog? Rip asked. He didn't understand. Where was his family? Why was his house old? Why were the people in the town strange? Who were they? He was unhappy. और ये सोच कर वो बहुत ही sad हो चुका था. A young woman walked up. She looked at Rip. You are unhappy and afraid. Stay here with us, she said. क्या कहती है वो? तुम unhappy हो, afraid हो? कोई बात नहीं, कुछ टाइम हमारे साथ रहो. Do I know you? He asked. No, she answered. Young woman, who is your father? Rip asked. Rip Van Winkle, she answered. But he doesn't live here now. लेकिन वो अब नहीं जानते, यहाँ नहीं रहते. He went to the mountains with his dog and he didn't come home. और बेटी उनकी क्या कहती है कि वो अपने डॉग के साथ माउंटेन पर गए थे और फिर कभी वापस नहीं आए. यानी वो ड्रिंक जो है वो इतनी बैड थी कि बहुत सालों तक रिप माउंटेन पर सोता रहता है और बहुत सालों के बाद जब वो वापस आता है तो उसका टाउन जो है वो पूरा चेंज हो जाता है. उसकी बेटी भी उसे नहीं पहचानती. सो बच्चे, दिस इज द एक्सट्रैक्ट टेकन बाय अ स्टोरी रिटन बाय वाशिंगटन इरविंग. ओके. Now what to know? Noises, sounds, barrel, a drum, strange, typical, stayed, continued in a place, unhappy, not happy. It's a turn of exercise now. First is tick the correct options. Rip Van Winkle saw in the mountains a young boy, an old woman, an old man. Rip Van Winkle saw in the mountain an old man. Okay, so you have to take the correct answer. Next है बच्चे fill in the blanks. First है Rip Van Winkle and Wolf started to go down the mountain. Okay, so like that you have to answer all the blanks. Next है बच्चे question answers. First question है where did Rip and his dog go? Rip and his dog go to the mountains. So this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the remaining exercise yourself.